Imagine a night sky, clear and crisp, suddenly ablaze with shimmering curtains of light. The air is cold and the stars are twinkling like diamonds scattered across a velvet canvas. Then, as if by magic, the sky comes alive with waves of color. These ethereal displays of color, dancing across the darkness, are the Northern Lights, a phenomenon that has captivated humanity for millennia. The lights seem to move with a life of their own, swirling and twirling in a cosmic dance that leaves onlookers spellbound. Known scientifically as the aurora borealis, these celestial wonders transform the night sky into a breathtaking spectacle of nature's power and beauty. The name itself, aurora borealis, is derived from the Roman goddess of dawn, Aurora, and the Greek name for the north wind, Boreas. The Northern Lights occur predominantly in high-latitude regions, painting the sky with vibrant hues of green, pink, purple, and occasionally even red and blue. These colors are the result of different gases in the Earth's atmosphere reacting to the solar wind. This breathtaking display is not magic, though it may seem like it. It is a natural phenomenon that has been studied and explained by scientists over the years. It's a fascinating interplay of solar wind, Earth's magnetic field, and our planet's atmosphere. When charged particles from the sun collide with atoms in the Earth's atmosphere, they create the dazzling light show we see as the Northern Lights. Imagine standing beneath this celestial ballet, a silent symphony of light unfolding above you. The experience is both humbling and exhilarating, a reminder of the beauty and complexity of the natural world. The Northern Lights evoke a sense of awe and wonder, a reminder of the vast and mysterious universe we inhabit. They inspire us to look up and ponder the mysteries of the cosmos. This breathtaking phenomenon is a testament to the intricate connection between our planet and the cosmos, a mesmerizing dance of light that continues to inspire and intrigue us. It is a visual representation of the invisible forces that shape our world. From ancient myths to modern science, the Northern Lights have captured our imaginations, urging us to explore the mysteries of the universe and our place within it. Ancient cultures often saw the lights as omens or messages from the gods, while modern science seeks to understand the precise mechanisms behind this natural wonder. Let us embark on a journey to understand the science, history, and cultural significance of this celestial spectacle. We will delve into the scientific principles that explain the aurora borealis, explore the rich tapestry of myths and legends that surround it, and appreciate the cultural impact it has had on societies throughout history. Join us as we uncover the secrets of the Northern Lights and celebrate the beauty of this extraordinary natural phenomenon. The Northern Lights, while appearing magical, are a result of a fascinating scientific process involving the sun, Earth's magnetic field, and our atmosphere. This natural light display, also known as the aurora borealis in the Northern Hemisphere, has captivated humans for centuries, inspiring myths, legends, and scientific curiosity. The story begins with the sun, a giant ball of hot gas constantly releasing charged particles in the form of solar wind. This solar wind is a stream of plasma, consisting mainly of electrons and protons, that flows outward from the sun's corona at speeds of up to 900 kilometers per second. This solar wind travels through space, carrying electrons and protons across the vast expanse of our solar system. As these charged particles journey through space, they encounter various celestial bodies, including our own planet, Earth. When these particles reach Earth, they encounter our planet's protective shield, the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is a region of space dominated by Earth's magnetic field, which acts as a barrier against the solar wind. This invisible force field, generated by Earth's molten core, deflects most of the solar wind, protecting us from harmful radiation. Without this protective shield, life on Earth would be exposed to intense solar radiation, making our planet a much harsher place to live. However, some of the charged particles from the sun manage to penetrate the magnetosphere, especially near the Earth's magnetic poles. The magnetic field lines converge at the poles, creating openings that allow these particles to enter the upper atmosphere. Here, the particles collide with atoms of oxygen and nitrogen in the upper atmosphere. These collisions transfer energy to the atoms, exciting them and causing them to move to higher energy states. These collisions excite the atoms, causing them to release energy in the form of light. When the excited atoms return to their original energy states, they emit photons, which are particles of light. The color of the aurora depends on the type of atom being excited and the altitude at which the collision occurs. Different gases emit different colors when they are excited. Green, the most common color, is produced by oxygen at lower altitudes, while red occurs at higher altitudes. The green light is typically seen at altitudes of around 100 kilometers, while the red light can be seen at altitudes above 200 kilometers. Blue and purple hues often result from excited nitrogen. Nitrogen molecules emit blue light at lower altitudes and purple light at higher altitudes, adding to the vibrant palette of the aurora. The intensity and speed of the solar wind determine the brightness and movement of the lights, creating a mesmerizing celestial dance. During periods of high solar activity, the auroras can be particularly bright and dynamic, lighting up the night sky with their stunning displays. This breathtaking phenomenon is a reminder of the powerful and dynamic interactions between our planet and the sun, a dance of particles and light that continues to inspire wonder and awe. Throughout history, cultures across the globe have woven myths and legends around the Northern Lights. These mesmerizing lights, dancing across the night sky, have captivated human imagination for centuries. These celestial displays, often unexpected and awe-inspiring, sparked imaginations and inspired stories deeply intertwined with the beliefs and traditions of the time. The lights were seen as omens, messages, or even divine manifestations, each culture interpreting them through their unique lens. Ancient Chinese astronomers meticulously documented auroral displays, referring to them as glowing dragons or heavenly battles. They believed these dragons were celestial beings, engaged in epic battles that lit up the sky with their fiery breath. They believed these celestial lights held significant meaning, signifying important events or messages from the heavens. The appearance of the Northern Lights was often seen as a portent of change, whether it be a royal birth, a significant death, or a major natural event. In ancient Greece, the philosopher Aristotle described the aurora as a celestial phenomenon, referring to it as chasmata, meaning openings in the sky. His writings suggested that these openings allowed a glimpse into the fiery realm beyond the earth, a place of both wonder and danger. He believed these openings allowed a glimpse into the fiery realm beyond the earth. This idea of a hidden fiery world influenced many Greek myths and legends, adding a layer of mystique to the Northern Lights. Norse mythology offers some of the most captivating tales surrounding the Northern Lights. The Norse people living in the far north had frequent encounters with these lights and wove them deeply into their mythology. The Vikings believed the aurora was the shimmering reflection of the Valkyries' armor, female figures who guided fallen warriors to Valhalla, the Hall of the Slain. This belief added a heroic and spiritual dimension to the lights, seeing them as a sign of the Valkyries' presence. The dancing lights were seen as a bridge between the world of the living and the afterlife. They believed that the lights were the spirits of the dead, guiding the souls of fallen warriors to their final resting place. These myths and legends, passed down through generations, illustrate the profound impact the Northern Lights had on ancient cultures. They were not just natural phenomena, but were imbued with deep spiritual and cultural significance. They served as both a source of wonder and fear, inspiring stories that reflected the beliefs, values, and understanding of the cosmos in those times. The Northern Lights were a canvas upon which ancient peoples projected their hopes, fears, and dreams, creating a rich tapestry of myth and legend that continues to fascinate us today. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel for more updates.